The Ocean Wave and Aurora Projector lamp by SUOAPAIQ is a compact and visually captivating lighting device designed to create soothing ambient effects in indoor spaces. Measuring just over 5 inches in each dimension and weighing about 10.5 ounces, this lamp is small enough to sit unobtrusively on a dresser, nightstand, or desk, yet powerful enough to project vibrant, dynamic patterns across walls and ceilings. The lamp features a polished acrylic panel atop a solid wooden base, which is integrally bonded to ensure durability and a refined aesthetic. Its cube-like shape and smooth edges give it a modern and elegant look that fits well in various room decors, including themed spaces like Minecraft-inspired bedrooms. One of the standout features of this projector lamp is its ability to display 16 different colors through an RGB LED light source, which can be controlled remotely from up to 5 meters away. Users can select from a range of static colors or dynamic modes that gradually shift through multiple hues, creating mesmerizing ocean wave, aurora, or flame-like kinetic patterns. The light projection is vivid and clear, capable of casting detailed water reflection effects that enhance the atmosphere of any room. The lamp's brightness is adjustable, allowing users to dim or brighten the light according to their preference, which is especially useful for creating a relaxing environment conducive to sleep or unwinding. The remote control is intuitive and straightforward, enabling easy switching between colors and modes without needing to approach the lamp physically. This is particularly convenient for nighttime use, where minimal disturbance is desired. However, the lamp requires a USB power source and comes with a 1.5-meter USB cable. Some users have expressed a preference for a built-in cord or wireless power option, as the cable can be somewhat inconvenient depending on placement. Despite this, the lamp is not cordless and must remain plugged in during operation. In terms of sound, the device is generally quiet, with many users reporting that it produces little to no noise while running. This silent operation adds to its suitability as a nightlight or mood light, where noise could otherwise be disruptive. However, a few reviews mention a slight sound or hum during operation, which may vary between individual units. The lamp's design prioritizes safety and ease of use. The wooden base is solid and stable, preventing accidental tipping, and the acrylic top is polished and sealed, making it child-friendly by preventing access to internal components. This makes it a good choice for households with young children or for use in public settings such as commercial exhibitions or parties. Performance-wise, the projector lamp excels at creating immersive visual effects that transform a room's ambience. The 3D visual patterns of ocean waves and aurora borealis are particularly praised for their relaxing and hypnotic qualities. Users have found it effective for enhancing romantic settings, holiday decorations, or simply adding a calming backdrop to everyday living spaces. The lamp's ability to project onto walls and ceilings means it can fill a room with color and motion, making it a versatile, decorative element. Despite its many strengths, the lamp does have some limitations. Some users have reported durability issues, with the rotating mechanism stopping after only a few days of use, necessitating returns or replacements. This inconsistency in longevity is a notable drawback for a product intended for regular use. Additionally, the lamp lacks a built-in timer or smart home integration, which would allow for automatic shutoff or voice control through systems like Alexa. This feature gap means users must manually control the lamp or rely on external timers. Brightness is another consideration. While the lamp's light is generally described as beautiful and vivid, it can be quite bright for those who prefer very low light levels when sleeping. Placing the lamp too close to a bed may cause discomfort for light-sensitive individuals. However, the dimmable feature helps mitigate this issue to some extent. Overall, the SUOAPAIQ Ocean Wave and Aurora Projector lamp offers a compelling combination of aesthetic appeal, functional versatility, and user-friendly controls. It is ideal for users seeking a relaxing mood light with customizable color options and dynamic visual effects. Its compact size and stylish design make it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or themed spaces, while its safety features accommodate families with children. The main drawbacks involve occasional mechanical reliability issues, the need for wired power, and the absence of smart home features. This lamp is a great gift option for teenagers, young adults, or anyone who enjoys ambient lighting and decorative illumination. It brings a unique and calming atmosphere that can enhance relaxation, sleep quality, and room aesthetics. Users who value quiet operation, ease of use, and a variety of lighting modes will appreciate this product. Those looking for a more robust or feature-rich device might want to consider alternatives with smart integration or longer-lasting components. If you own this lamp or decide to try it, your feedback in the comments would be valuable to help others make informed decisions. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and make it easy for viewers to find and purchase the lamp if interested.